Hi, I'm Deborah Savard, Global Education Director for Ciaté London. I want to introduce you to Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint. This is a semi-sheer skin tint that has this sort of cushiony, balmy texture. It creates this beautiful, beautiful luminosity while it provides really, really natural looking coverage. To apply it, I'm going to use our best-selling brush from the Hannah Martin x Ciaté London collection. This is the base brush, and I'm going to apply shade 50 on half of my face to show you. The product comes in 10 shades. I really want to create a ton of luminosity on the skin. It just blends right into the skin. It's so sheer and light reflective. And we'll make the other side match. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of everyday vacay powder in a couple of strategic places. I want to keep all of this luminosity from Dewy Skin. There we have it. That is the finish of Dewy Skin Tint.